Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the iPhone and removing the SIM tray to avoid accidental power or ejection during repair. Once done, loosen the two pentalobe screws at the bottom, use a suction cup, and pull gently to create a slight gap. You want just enough separation to slide a thin pick. This prevents bending the frame. Make sure to keep screws sorted by size because the display and frame use different lengths. This matters when reassembling. You now remove the metal bracket covering the connectors. Once exposed, always disconnect the battery first to cut power to the board. After disconnecting the battery, lift each display and camera connector in order. Work methodically because cables are fragile and layered. Use a nylon spudger and keep pressure low. If a connector resists, check for hidden screws. Once detached, free the display assembly from adhesive points and lift it away. Noting the position, you transfer the sensor and camera modules to the replacement screen first, because alignment affects Face ID and proximity sensing. Once transferred, reconnect the display and battery, but only hand-tighten a couple of screws to hold the bracket temporarily. This lets you power on and test touch, display uniformity, cameras, and Face ID. If everything works, power down, secure all screws to spec, reseat the SIM tray. If touch fails, reseat connectors. If Face ID fails, double-check sensor seating and cable damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.